my name's Jane. I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw Taurus the Bull. I'm going to start with the head and the horns. So a little arc here, and then the horns are there, like little curled up triangular shapes. And then we have the neck, which is really wide. So we just make these lines come down. And the back is really big and muscular, so the sloping line that comes down to this tapered hind area. And then the tail. We're going to do hind leg. It comes to a point here and then it curves out. And then the front leg comes down like that. It has a flat squared bottom and it comes back up. I'm going to do another one going out like that. And this one, the hoof is sort of at an angle, comes back up. It has a little bit of a flare at the top. And then we're going to do the facial features of the bull. So he's got these angry looking eyebrows and flared nostrils. So they're like half circles with a dot inside. And we're going to do the chin like that, the mouth. Here's more of the eye. And then we'll color that in. I'm going to draw some lines here and a line there. So I'm going to outline these horns again, make them a little more prominent. Here's his ears. Some dots there. And that is how you draw Taurus the Bull.